2, 1, begin.
Don't waste your ammo, dude. Come on, Black Bandit. Make me proud.
Oh, I got a headshot.
You can move on now.
I've got plenty of ammo if you need it.
Talk to me, peeps.
I'm dead.
Thanks. Thanks, Steven. Tell me that. One shot in the arm.
Ah, that man's trying to hit me. Oh, did you see that, Misha?
What the heck? That looked like it went right in his face. Dark. Oh! Jeez, I'm giving you a haircut speech. What the heck? Speech, Dad.
Ah, yes! Oh, we got a pile up of bodies here.
This is not awkward at all. I'm gonna move 2 inches to make this less awkward. Yeah. Well, when I can feel your breath up my nose, that's probably a bad sign.
Yeah. I think I shot off a grand total of 4 shots.
I shot a red hole, a draw, a mini draw, and your entire wrist. Oh, sorry, you're nice. There are a couple more. I died like this.
Me and him.
Try I gather up the emeralds out back, would that be a bad plan? Yeah, that's easier though.
Oh god. Are you kidding me? How many shots did we get on it? I got 2 ball shots. I know.
Ball shot?
I got ball shots twice.
I didn't see no ball shot.
Exactly. It was at your ball. I swear it was at your ball.
I don't know.
I got 2 ball shots. Yeah.
No. You ball hit down here. This is not a ball. Here, my ball's like, I got like 2 inches below my ball.
Stop the recording before you go any further.